previous video, we have built our to-do app, which enables us to tick mark the items, add new task. So let's add a new task. You completed the Flutter code. You can add it and you get the completed code. Yeah, so that's all used by using state management, nothing but state or asset state. Okay, so right now we can add it, but what about how to delete it, right? So what we are going to create in this video is like when we slide it this way, we will be shown like a delete button, and that delete button will delete the tag. So simply so for the sliding part, we were using a package which is called Flutter Slidable. You can get it now plugged up. So just write Flutter underscore Slidable and get the latest version. Okay. So now back to our home screen. So to give the slidable action, just go to your tile. So our tile is nothing but a checkbox tile function. We'll go to that and we'll just wrap this widget with a slidable. Also change the cloud function type to slidable. Okay, slidable has like certain behaviors, certain parameters. So in that you have to we have to settle for the end, because we want to make an action for when we stretch from the end, right? So this is start pan and this is end pan. So then we will select a start action pan, and in that we have action pan class, and that requires a motion and a children. So for motion, just go with the default motion, which is a stretch motion. Okay, so it will be getting by default. You can remove this curly arrows by control dot, add const everywhere. Okay, and also then you have to add children's. For children's you will be given action. Okay, and in that you have to compulsory parameter, which is on tap. For now, just given. Okay, so moving forward, we have another parameters which is like very important, so which is like icon. So we are creating an icon data. So let's create icons dot delete, and also the color. So we'll set the background color red for the delete, and also the foreground color dot white. So if you now can see, whenever I stretch it, we get a little delete button, very good looking, very fine. So you'll see it is because like we have a padding over here, so just have to remove the padding. So I'll just remove this padding from here because we don't want to. Okay, that's good, and we will wrap the padding outside our box. So for that, we'll go symmetric, vertical 4, and horizontal 0. Again, sorry for that, we have to put it like this, and when I stretch it now, it will like come exactly how I want it, right? About the curve part, you can do like certain things. So right now just focus on the curve, right? This is UI thing, so you can remove it. Okay, so now this is our function, and anything I do this, it will act like this one. Okay, so I just go this. Okay, it automatic, but right now we didn't given any function on what to do if like someone stretch it out, right? So for that, to remove all the elements, so we just have to remove it from the list. As we on the addition part, as you can see in the float in action button, we are just adding the check task value, the new task. Okay, so for now we will just remove that item and you will be shorted, right? So just copy this part, let's copy the entire part, go to that on tap, and okay, let's do it also. So we have two lists. So first we will go with the checklist, then we will have the index, as we have the index parameter with us, dot. Okay, so we can remove it by just a second. Checkbox list style, remove. Okay, remove, and we have to put the value, and for that we will just go to the checkbox text list and index. So this will remove the value from the checkbox. And similar for this checkbox value list dot remove checkbox value list. So let's do the indexing part. So we can also do the indexing part and requires an index, so just directly give the index. And for this too, let's go with the index, right? I think index will be more accurate. And index done, and the set state. Okay, so let's now try this. Boom, we can delete our items. Okay, yeah, you can see also for the checkbox style thing, for the welding, so you can also do one thing, so that will make it look more clean. So for that, just go with the checkbox list value. So right now it will enable the value. Okay, so if the checkbox tag value, let's make a condition, is equals to false, then go with this, make the checkbox tag value false, otherwise true, otherwise let it be true. Okay, so the true it will true, otherwise it will change to, in any case whenever someone deleted, we consider it completed the task. Alright, you can set your behavior as whichever you think. So if I do now, you can see it completed, then deleted. So you can see by using a delay in that. So let's add a delay. You can add a delay by using a future delay and set the duration. Okay, duration, 1 second, and okay, and then you have to like right now, just to show you, I am awaiting this. So don't try this. I think that you can check it before, right? It is doing after 1 second. So we can add that using a string. So right now, just go with the simplicity. We deleted everything. Okay, so if I now restart the app, you can see we are, let's just restart the application. We have this by default, we have inputted this very best. So we get our original 5 list back. So now the user can come here, add this, slide this, delete, slide this, delete. So now we have some applicable tasks. Delete, and delete. So now also one question arises. So what if there's nothing in the list? So we have to show the user you don't have anything in the list. So for that, we can do a very good thing, very fine thing. It is very useful. You have to use it. For that, just go with we are going to use a tertiary operator again. So I will show you how much important tertiary operator is. So right now, builder is building this part. Okay. So what we are going to do, whenever this list, checkbox style list is empty. Okay. So checkbox style list is empty. Tertiary operator, then show center, and we will show a text which will be no task here. So for that, we will have to go to the text style, check that, and that's it. Otherwise, it will be doing a list operator. So what is tertiary operator is? It tells the builder. Okay, so let's format the document. It tells the builder whenever the checkbox list is empty, go with this. Otherwise, show the list builder text tab. Now you can see we have a no task here better. And if I just add the task, Cargo is building the Flutter app right now. Boom, and we get that. So we can just remove it, and you again get the data. Right, so that's it. We are doing the CRUD operation. We have create operation. We have our read operation, which is seeing the update. We have update option. Right after this, I will be showing you how to do update there. And finally, we have our delete operation. So let's go to create. Here, teaching you how to create a CRUD mechanism or operations in Flutter. Okay, so we have our create operation, we have our read operation, which is like this, we have our update operation, which is like we are updating the values, and finally we have our delete the value. So that's it for it. So let's move forward. In the next video I'll show you how to store this into the database. Like whenever you leave the app, it will be there, your data will be there, so we will be storing in the local storage. So okay, yeah, that's it. Have a nice day.